Welcome, in front of me is a Galaxy Fold 4 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up Settings. From here, scroll all the way down on a list till you get to General Management. Scroll down again and you will find Reset. And here select Factory Data Reset. It gives you a quick list of things that will be removed, so if you have anything on your phone that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise this data will be lost permanently. Now, I don't have anything that I want to back up, so I'm just going to proceed with resetting. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock and some kind of accounts, you would need to probably verify them right here. I believe screen lock you need to verify no matter what if you have one set. I don't, so it automatically takes me to the next page. But once you verify your screen lock, you can then get to this page right here, where you will select Delete All. This will now begin the factory reset of the device, which will take about 1 to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.